because last time I talked about this fruit tree demo, this fruit tree farms. We have two things about fruit trees. They have continuous. Last video I already showed. So in this video I will talk about the spot spraying mission. In the spot spraying, we have two kind of thing. One is automatic, one is manual. So before we make mission planning, as I already said in my previous video, you need to make modified result first. The tree crown, spraying spot or the tree spot. Here, when you add the tree crown, if you have a big trees and you have small drone like T25, T25P, I will recommend you to add the most spraying spot. But now I will plan for the 100, so for one spot is quite good enough. Okay. So if you say one spot, make sure the center lines. Okay, let me start planning. Save. So first, the tree crown center auto. It is quite simple. You just select the boundary. Then you can generate. We will see. First, you must set the altitudes. Fly with terrain follow accuracy, make it 1. Yes, so it is kind of great. So this method is suitable when you big spacing like this between two plants. Then you should be spraying one tree by one trees. If so, when you feel like it is not safe, you can adjust. So each spot, if you want, you can still adjust each spot. Every part is semi-auto, or I would say the manual is, because I draw the flippers manually. Why it is semi-automatic? Because we draw the flippers. Okay, so when you look this flippers I draw is not the tree center to tree center, right? But when I generate so it will terrain follow accuracy. Okay. I show you somewhere here, because that is not to spray, this is just to maintain the 4 meter all the times. So that's why I recommend to make it 1, because unnecessarily go down, because you are not even spraying there. Why we should maintain the 4 meter all the times, especially when your tree has a really tall and the ground from one tree to another there is a large NAM plant or the ground area. So once you finish, click save and you can upload to cloud, DJI Agras management platform. So you can simply download from RC, or you can export through the SD card of to remote controllers if you don't have internet. So that's only two things in the spot spraying. I hope this video helped you, and this is the end of the fruit tree mission, the part 2. See you in the next video. Bye bye.